Hello friends, welcome back to CAD-CAM. Today tutorial we are going to see how to bend and how to twist any object in SolidWorks. So let's start and see how to use this feature in SolidWorks. So we will start with the front plane. So first select their center rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. So this length will keep 250 mm and width 55 mm. Okay. Then draw one center line here. And draw one circle here. This side also and this side also. Okay. Select the circle, press Ctrl equal. Okay. So now dia will keep 30 mm and here to here 25 mm. This side also here to here 25 mm. Okay, now select your fillet and select this corner, this side. Okay, this side and this side. Okay, 10 mm. Okay, okay. Now go to feature, select a extrude boss base and extrude up to 10 mm. Okay. So now we will see how to use bending feature. So select your insert feature and flex. So flex input, select the body and here we have two plane. So plane 1 and plane 2. So first right here 80 mm and this side also 80 mm and here select 180 degree. Okay, now you can see so now select your front plane sketch and make it normal and here also select center rectangle. Draw a rectangle here from the center point. Okay, and the 55 mm and the length will keep 60 mm. Okay, then go to picture, extrude boss base and extrude up to 200 mm. Okay, now we will mirror this part to the side. So select your front plane and select your reference geometry plane. So make plane here 200 mm. Okay, then select your mirror feature. So here feature to mirror, you have to select this body. So select here this one, you can see. Okay, you can see now. Let's hide this one. So now we will see how to use twisting feature. So select here insert feature and select here flex. So flex input, select the body. So here also we have two plane 1, plane 2. So first select here plane 1. So plane 1 will keep 1051 mm and plane 2 10 mm. And here select twisting and here select 360 degree. Let's see. Okay, it's perfect. Just see the corner. Okay, so select your fillet, select this edge, 10 mm, 15. See, let's see, it's perfect. This side also, fillet, 15 mm. Okay, here also fillet, 0.5, and this side also 0.5. Let's define the material. So select here appearance, metal, brass, and polished brass. Okay, it's perfect. So our part is ready. If you have any question regarding this video, please comment. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.